Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. This will hide your profile and content, but you can always come back whenever you want. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then here tap the three lines at the bottom right corner and scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Next, scroll down to the Account Center section and tap on it. Then here go to the Personal Details. Then tap Account Ownership and Control. Then here select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Then select Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. Now on the on-screen steps, choose a reason if asked and then tap Continue, and finally confirm by tapping Deactivate Account. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now temporarily deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime just logging back in. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.